Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a white sheet and then we have to draw the bird like this over it and make its beak, make its wings and the eyes of it. Now we have to make the patterns on its wings. Now you have to draw the branch of a tree like this. Now make its tail on the back and then make some leaves on the tree, color it and it's ready. Next, take a sheet and then draw the letter like this and then make the body of the bird, make its eyes, beak and the crown on the head. Now make its tail like this. Now after that, make the feathers of it like this, decorate it as shown in the video. Make its legs like this, decorate its wings as well. Now color it and it's done. Next, we have to write letter S and then we have to complete it to draw the bird. Now make its tail, beak, eyes and the wings like this. Now after that, make the patterns on the wings of it as shown in the video. Now make its legs, color it with the black marker only like this and use red and yellow color to color it and it's done. Next, we'll be making the front part of the fly like this, make its wings on the sides. Now after that, we have to make the body of it like this. Now after that, we have to make the patterns over its wings like this as shown in the video and then make its legs like this. Now color it and your fly is ready. Next, take a white sheet and then you have to make the beak of a bird, make its wings and then draw the lines like this. Make its tail on the back and then you have to put the leaves in its mouth she is holding and it's done. Next, draw 2022 over a sheet like this and write a 1 at the end and then join them to make two birds sitting together. Make their eyes and beak like this. Make their tails or make the branch of a tree and a leaf near it like this. Now after that, we have to color it or you can leave it as it is and it's done. Next, make a butterfly. So make its body as shown in the video. Now draw the circles like this. Draw the lines and wings on the sides of it. Now after that, we have to make its eyes. Now complete the wings like this as shown in the video. Now after making it, we have to color it and it's done. Next, we'll be making the letter like this and then make the wings and the eyes of the bird like this. Make its beak and then we have to draw the tail of the bird. Now after that, make the branch of the tree like this. Make the tail as shown in the video. Make its leaves as shown here and it's done. Next, we have to make a heart shape. Now, extend the lines like this to make the body of the birds and their beaks like this. And then make their wings, make the tails of the birds like this. And then you can color it if you want. Draw the lines inside them and it's done. Next, we'll be making a ladybird. So draw the A letter and then draw the lines on the sides. Now make the face and the eyes of the ladybird. Make the patterns over its wings like this. Color it with the red and black like this. Make its legs and your ladybirds are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, write a X letter on a white sheet and draw 3 circles like this or 2 circles and then the 2 semicircles. Now make the beak and eyes of the bird. Make its wings. Now make the branch of the tree and then their legs. Make the tail of the birds and make a heart on the top and it's done.